Hey my lovelies, I'm back with another video. Video, I'm gonna show y'all how I achieved this blowout look with the Revlon blow dryer. Yeah. I put my hair in just random twists. That's like my sectioning, so I can easily just untwist and blow dry it real quick. Then I go in with my heat protectant. Y'all excuse my bootleg hair dye. I tried to dye my hair myself and yeah, you can tell.
I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you.
This does really well. I'm not even gonna lie. I put it on high heat because cool and low just don't do it for me. So I put it on high and I use a, protectant, a heat protectant. And yeah, this is like the straightest a blow dryer has ever got my hair. I want to add some things. It does kind of like take your hair out maybe a little. I don't know. I think it's because the balls, Also too, I don't know if mine's is messed up or if it just does it, but it seems to only blow out heat from the top, and then the rest just, it doesn't have anything. Excuse me. But yeah, the rest doesn't like really have anything coming out, so it just like kind of blows from the top. And if you have it on for a while, it does get hot around here, so you probably want to keep your hands down here. And yeah, and I like that the ventilation thing is at the bottom, because with regular blow dryers it'd be on the back, and then I'll be placing the blow dryer like flat like that, and then it overheats and shuts off on me. I'd be like, dang. If you watch my other blowout video, you will see halfway through my comb broke, and that was like my third comb that broke. So I was like, I'm never blow drying my hair again, because I had to finish it with a brush and it was too much. I couldn't do it. So I was like, I'll never blow dry my hair again. And then that's when, I don't know how I came upon this, but I came upon it. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more content from me, girl. See you next time.
My homies by my side, yeah, they boost my confidence.